Alright guys, this is a video of how to fix 18650 batteries. I have actually resurrected all these batteries here. These are the ones that I'm trying to resurrect, or some of these here. There are some that cannot be revived, definitely, because of it. Either the cathode and anode have touched, or there's a short circuit inside the battery itself. But I found a trick online that will actually get these batteries back to life. I'm assuming it's due to the bloating of the batteries itself, and your pin that goes down the center will actually touch the positive terminal. So this trick seems a bit dangerous, and I do not recommend to try it at home, but rather as an educational video. So what you do, first and foremost, we're going to read the voltage on this battery, and it looks like we are reading a 0 voltage. So that's telling me that there is something up with this battery. So what you do is you're going to get a very small a screwdriver, like a precision screwdriver. I don't recommend any ones that are like this size right here, because they actually end up bending rather than forcing the metal down. So what you actually do is there's these small tabs you can see. Let me get that in the camera here. So there are these small tabs right here up underneath, and you can actually just enough to get a screwdriver, a flathead, small precision screwdriver underneath. So what you want to do is take the screwdriver and push it in there, and you're actually kind of bridging your negative and positive, so you don't want to do it too fast or do it too slowly. So you want to actually bend the bottom. You're wanting to find this little pin that's underneath. You're going to want to bend the top portion and then push down. Here's our voltage at 3.907. Alright, if you like that video, definitely like, comment, or subscribe, and let me know what I'm actually doing in this in a scientific or technical sense to indulge my ignorance. Thank you. Bye-bye.